Good morning everyone. Today we are going to have the Hindu analysis of 7th February 2022. As it is Monday, so first of all we will have the Monday motivation so that our complete week is cheerful and we can say that you remain motivational for your studies, your preparation. Okay, so look at this quote. The only real failure is failing to learn from the failure. Okay, so let me tell you briefly one story here. So once a journalist goes to interview the aged and successful businessman. Okay, and while interviewing, he is asking the question to the businessman. So first question he asks is, what is the key for your success? So the businessman replies that right decisions. The two words he says, that right decisions is the key for my success. Then the journalist asks next question. So how did you take the right decisions? What helped you to take the right decisions? So the businessman replies that the experience helped me to take the right decisions. Okay, so the next question journalist asks here that how did you get the experience? Okay, how did you get the experience? So the businessman explains or replies with the answer that by taking the wrong decisions. Okay, so this is how we should understand that yes, mistakes will happen. We will take wrong decisions in our life. Nobody is perfect, right? But the only thing the right person or the good person does in his life is learn from those wrong mistakes, or we can say wrong decisions. And this is how the quote is relevant. The only real failure is failing to learn from the failure. Now, how it is relevant for our examination while preparing? Simply, we should understand that when we are solving these MCQs for prelims examination, we need to analyze our mistakes. We need to learn from our mistake. We should not repeat the same mistakes in the next test. Otherwise, your improvement is not happening and your success will not be there. Okay, so this is very much relevant for examination also, and of course in the personal life also we need to be the better person from the yesterday. And how this will happen? When we learn from our mistake, yesterday's mistake. Okay, so this is we can say today's Monday motivation story. Now looking at the important news from today's newspaper. Okay, so yes, the nation mourns its Nightingale. Yes, so yesterday the unfortunate death of Lata Mangeshkar has happened because of the post-COVID complications and organ failure. Okay, so this is the huge loss for the whole country as well as the music industry, we can say. So on page number 10, the whole page is dedicated to the life of let's say Lata Mangeshkar, and some important points are mentioned. So there can be question in prelims examination also. So some prelims pointers we will try to find out from that information for our examination also. Okay. Now look at the page number 4 and you can see the important news on page number 4. Satkosia Tiger Reserve. Okay. Yes. So Satkosia making fresh attempts to become suitable tiger habitat. Okay, so the important tiger reserve of Odisha, Satkosia Tiger Reserve, and this was the tiger reserve where India's first tiger relocation project was done in 2018. So you should be aware about that. That time it was in news. Now we will try to also locate the other important tiger reserves of the country. We have provided the map here, the standard map from WII-NVIS website. Okay, so that is kind of revision for you, locations, mapping aspect. Then on page number 5, you can see bottom side, rare insect sighted in Seshachalam. Now the Seshachalam Hills and Seshachalam Biosphere Reserve in Andhra Pradesh, its location, and some basic information about that biosphere reserve. Also we will try to revise the important biosphere reserves in the country. On page number 6, editorial on left hand side, fixing frequencies first. So it is talking about recently the finance minister announced in the budget that 5G will be rolled out during this year. Okay, so this is the context, but the article discusses the important concerns, issues related to 5G rollout, and this is very much relevant to our paper GS3 paper economy aspect. Okay, so telecommunication or information and communication, this is the part of, we can say, economy GS3 paper. Okay, now the other articles, they are not that much important, or we can say relevant for our examination. Now on page number 8 you can see the Fisher's issue to come up during the Paris visit. Okay, so Sri Lankan foreign minister is on the visit to India. He will meet our external affairs minister, and there will be discussion on some bilateral issues. Along with that, the discussion on whether Sri Lanka is going to host the BIMSTEC summit on 30th March this year. Okay, this year the Sri Lanka is the host. So again, basic information about international groupings, BIMSTEC group, here we will try to find out the information. On page number 9, sorry, I was talking about 10, but page number 9, the Lata Mangeshkar, life of Lata Mangeshkar, it is mentioned, the Melody Queen, some important highlights are mentioned there. So we'll try to find out relevant to our examination, like the awards won by Lata Mangeshkar, about some information in personal life, ये सारी चीज़ें हम देखेंगे यहाँ पर. Okay. Yes, so other news are political on page number 10. Again, it is not that much relevant. Recently, we discussed or tried to find out the information about African Union also on page number 11. Last week itself, we have learned about African Union, the grouping of 54 African countries. Okay, so yes, these are the important articles. We will try to learn about them for our examination. First, mains related article, fixing the frequencies first. Okay, the context here is that finance minister announced in the union budget that the 5G spectrum will be auctioned this year, and there will be rollout of 5G services in the country. Okay, so government proposes to conduct the required spectrum auctions in 2022 to facilitate rollout of 5G mobile phone services in fiscal this year. Also, the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, was expected to submit its recommendation on spectrum 5G by March, and thereafter immediately the government proposes to conduct these auctions. Okay. Now, what are the issues associated with the 5G rollout? First and foremost is there are questions around particular frequencies that the regulator is likely to recommend. So, what will be these frequencies? This is not clear yet. Okay, so or simply the government or regulator has not given the idea about it. So there are speculations about what frequency will be recommended for 5G telecommunication. Then government's plan on pricing the spectrum. So of course it is also the problem. At present we know that the telecom sector in the country is facing many problems. Especially it is moving towards duopoly, as recently we have seen the third important player, Vodafone Idea. So it has approved the we can say that the government will take over the major stakes in that Vodafone Idea. So again it is going to be duopoly of the private sector, that is Jio and Airtel. So telecom sector is already facing problem. And what will be the pricing of this spectrum, and whether the private sector is we can say that strong enough to have such kind of pricing, or we cope up with such kind of pricing of the government here. So this is again one of the concern. Viability of new technology, both for telecom companies and economy as whole. So this is also major concern, because throughout the world at present the 5G is just being used to replace the 4G services and not on large scale. Okay, so large scale rollout नहीं हुआ है, step wise rollout हो रहा है throughout the world. Okay, so for industry purpose and for, let's say, people, so it is not rolled out yet on large scale. Okay, so how this new technology is going to help our economy, it is not clear yet. Then financially stressed private sector, private service provider industry now reduced to near duopoly. So this is what I was telling you, that Vodafone Idea, VI. So this third largest private sector is facing the huge problem related to debt and the the kind of, let's say, problems that this company is facing. So it may result into near duopoly in the telecom sector. Okay, so what should be the way forward here? The way forward that is mentioned in the article, they are saying that there should be clarity in policy, so that such kind of speculation is not happening. Government should come up with how it is going to be rolled out, this 5G technology. Along with that, how the spectrum auction is going to be carried out, and along with that, how it is going to be helpful to our economy. So that the program, or we can say the long-term plan, should be put in place so that there is no speculation and the smooth rollout of 5G technology will happen. Okay, so GS3 paper economy part, it is relevant to our examination. Fine. Okay, now moving on. Yes, Satkosya making fresh attempts to become the suitable tiger habitat. Okay, so Satkosya Tiger Reserve, located at almost center of Odisha state, it has started making efforts afresh to re-establish it as a tiger habitat. So why? Because basically when this tiger habitat was declared as a tiger reserve, so there were around 12 tigers, but now over the years the population has declined and only one tigress, and even in last 2 months this tigress is not able to be found in the tiger reserve. So to revive the tiger population, there was first interstate tiger relocation program launched by the way of import of pair of tiger and tigress from Kanha Tiger Reserve, Madhya Pradesh, and Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve in 2018. But this has not been successful here. So the reason that is told by the forest officials, they are saying that the program primarily failed due to hostility of local communities and their intensive use of tiger reserve resources for livelihood. And now the forest officials are trying to convince those living in the Satkosya Tiger Reserve core areas, those villages, they are convincing people, persuading people to relocate outside the reserve so that again the tigers will make it their home. Okay, so we'll find out the location also and other tiger reserves of the country. There are total 52 tiger reserves in the country. Quick revision we will have here. Okay, so first Rajaji Tiger Reserve, you can see here, Uttarakhand. Then Kamlang Tiger Reserve, second location Arunachal Pradesh. Then Achanakmar Tiger Reserve, third. So here location Achanakmar, the part of MP as well as Chhattisgarh. Then Anaimalai Tiger Reserve, so location you can see here, Anaimalai Tiger Reserve. Then Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, so location again you can see here, MP, Eastern MP, Bandhavgarh. Bandipur Tiger Reserve, Karnataka, located here in Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. 7 Bhadra Tiger Reserve, located along in the Western Ghats, Karnataka. Then Biligiri Ranganath Temple Tiger Reserve. You can see here the location, Biligiri Ranganath Tiger Reserve, 8. Then Baksa Tiger Reserve, 9. So it is part of West Bengal, right? So you can see the location here, chicken snake near the Assam border with Assam, Baksa Tiger Reserve. Then 10 Dampa Tiger Reserve. Okay, so you can see the location in Mizoram. This is Dampa Tiger Reserve in Mizoram. Dandeli Anshi Tiger Reserve, Maharashtra, near Nagpur or Chandrapur district of Maharashtra. Okay, so 11. Sorry, Dandeli Anshi is here in Karnataka. Sorry. Okay, so part of, we can say, Western Ghat. Okay, Dandeli Anshi Tiger Reserve. Then Indravati Tiger Reserve, 12 number. So Indravati, we can say the river is there, Chhattisgarh. This is the location, southern part of Chhattisgarh. Then Kalakkad Mudunthari Tharai Tiger Reserve, 13 number. So again here the southernmost tiger reserve of India, Tamil Nadu. Okay, then Kanha Tiger Reserve, 14. Location is this one, Kanha Tiger Reserve. Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, here you can see along the border with Nepal, 15 number. So Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, Tarai Forest. Then Kawal Tiger Reserve, 16. Okay, कहाँ है Kawal? Yes, Telangana. Here in Telangana, Kawal Tiger Reserve is there. Okay, then Kaziranga Tiger Reserve, 17, here in Assam. Then Manas Tiger Reserve, Assam. Melghat Tiger Reserve, 19, Maharashtra. Okay, then 20, Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. Now Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, here again part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Tamil Nadu. Then Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve. Okay, so Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve is in Rajasthan, here southern part of Rajasthan. Then Nagarhole Tiger Reserve, again here in Karnataka, part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Okay, then Namdapha Tiger Reserve, 23, the easternmost tiger reserve of India, right? Namdapha Tiger Reserve, Arunachal Pradesh. Nameri Tiger Reserve, here in Assam. Okay, Nameri Tiger Reserve. Then Pakke Tiger Reserve, here located in Arunachal Pradesh. Pakke Tiger Reserve, already UPSC asked in prelims examination. Pakke or Pakhui Tiger Reserve, alternatively used. Okay, Palamu Tiger Reserve, the only tiger reserve of Jharkhand, located here, Palamu Hills. Then Panna Tiger Reserve, 27. Okay, so here the location, northern part of Madhya Pradesh. Then Parambikulam Tiger Reserve, here the Parambikulam Tiger Reserve, Kerala. Okay, then 29, Pench Maharashtra Tiger Reserve. Here you can see that Pench Maharashtra Tiger Reserve and Pench MP Tiger Reserve. So it is continuous tiger reserve, but both are different tiger reserves, tiger habitat, both names Pench. So this is part of Maharashtra as well as we can say Madhya Pradesh. Then Periyar Tiger Reserve, 31. You can see the location, Periyar, Kerala. Pilibhit Tiger Reserve, 32. Again the second tiger reserve of UP, Pilibhit. Sahyadri Tiger Reserve in Sahyadris in Maharashtra. Okay, Western Ghats. Then Sanjay Dubri Tiger Reserve, 34. Here the Sanjay Dubri Tiger Reserve, the border between MP and Chhattisgarh. Okay, then Sariska Tiger Reserve, here in Rajasthan, 35. Then 36, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, 36. Okay, so you can see the location, 36, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. Then Satkosia Tiger Reserve. Here, this is the at center. Just now we talked about Satkosia Tiger Reserve. This is the location. Okay, 37. Then Satpura Tiger Reserve, 38. You can see here in MP, Satpura Tiger Reserve. Then Simlipal Tiger Reserve, the second tiger reserve of Odisha, located here. Simlipal Biosphere Reserve is also there. Then Sundarbans Tiger Reserve, located in West Bengal, second tiger reserve of West Bengal. Okay, Sundarban Tiger Reserve, Sundarban, it is Biosphere Reserve also. Then Tadoba Andheri Tiger Reserve, it is located in Maharashtra, Chandrapur district near Nagpur. Then Udanti Sita Nadi Tiger Reserve. Okay, so this is located here, 42 number, between Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Okay, Udanti Sita Nadi Tiger Reserve. Then Valmiki Tiger Reserve, the only tiger reserve of Bihar. Valmiki Tiger Reserve along the border with Nepal. Then Bor Tiger Reserve. Yes, it is 44, located in Maharashtra, Bor Tiger Reserve. Okay, then Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, 45, very famous in Rajasthan, Banas River. Okay, Ranthambore. Then Norwegian Nagzira Tiger Reserve. Sorry, Navegaon Nagzira Tiger Reserve. Now, Navegaon located 46. Nagzira Tiger Reserve, Navegaon Nagzira Tiger Reserve. Here in Maharashtra, Navegaon Nagzira Tiger Reserve, Gondia district, near Gondia district. Okay. Then Orang Tiger Reserve, 47, located in Assam. Then Nagarjun Sagar Sri Sailam Tiger Reserve, 48, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and 49, Nagarjun Sagar Sri Sailam Tiger Reserve, here 49 in Telangana. Okay, and then Amrabad Tiger Reserve, sorry, Nagarjun Sagar Sri Sailam Tiger Reserve in Andhra Pradesh and Amrabad in Telangana. Okay, so basically they are contiguous tiger reserve between these two states. Then Corbett Tiger Reserve, 50, Uttarakhand. And then Srivali Puthur Meghmalai Tiger Reserve, 51. So it is the one of the newest tiger reserve, 51, Tamil Nadu, located in Tamil Nadu. And Ramgarh Vishdhari Tiger Reserve, 52. Excuse me. Yes, the latest one, 52. Yes. Just a moment. 52 is located. Here, 52 in Rajasthan. Okay, Ramgarh Vishdhari Tiger Reserve. This is the location. Fine. So, you can see that total 52 tiger reserves, we just had the revision about them. This can be asked in the prelims examination. Okay, match the following, the states and the tiger reserve. In general, you should be aware about the locations even within the states. Now, the next article, rare insect sighted in Seshachalam Hills. Which kind of insect? The name of the insect is black ground skimmer. Okay, it is species of dragonfly sighted for the first time in the recent history, Seshachalam Hills. Okay, so it belongs to phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta. IUCN Red List status least concern. Why? Because it is widely prevalent in southern Eurasia and whole of the Africa. Okay, so इंडिया में सेशाचलम हिल्स में ये अभी नया नया ऑब्जर्व किया गया है स्पेसीज ब्लैक ग्राउंड स्किमर. Now Seshachalam Biosphere Reserve, about this Biosphere Reserve, it will be kind of revision for you. Yes, Seshachalam Hills are the ranges of Eastern Ghats in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, they are part of Eastern Ghats. Second, it was designated as Biosphere Reserve in 2010. At the same time, the districts, Chittor district and Kadapa district. Now the uniqueness is the pilgrim place. Tirupati is the major Hindu pilgrimage town, and Sri Venkateshwara National Park are located in these ranges. It is also home to number of endemic species including famous red sanders and slender loris. Also native population of let's say reserve includes tribes of Yanadis. Okay, Yanadis, sorry. So that can be asked in the prelims examination. Okay, so remember about this Seshachalam Biosphere Reserves, a quick revision on the biosphere reserves and those included in the world network of biosphere reserves maintained by UNESCO. Okay, so first of all, there are total 18 such biosphere reserves. Out of them, 11 are included in the world network of biosphere reserves. First, we will find out those 11 in red color. Okay, so first, Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand, Nokrek in Meghalaya, Kanchenjunga in Sikkim, Sundarbans in West Bengal, Simlipal in Odisha, Achanakmar Amarkantak on the boundary between Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, Panchmari in Madhya Pradesh, then Nilgiri at the tri-junction of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, then Agastyamalai junction between Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and Gulf of Mannar. Okay, it is kind of marine biosphere reserve, Gulf of Mannar, and Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. Okay, Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. It is the 11th biosphere reserve here in Andaman and Nicobar. So these 11 are included in the world network of biosphere reserves. Along with that, remaining are cold desert. So cold desert, Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh region. So Spiti Valley of Himachal Pradesh. Then Dihang Dibang, Arunachal Pradesh, Dibru Shikowa in Assam, Manas in Assam. So these four are there. Then Panna Biosphere Reserve of MP. Then Rann of Kutch of Gujarat. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you can see here the 7th one, Seshachalam. Just now we were talking about Seshachalam Hills of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so remember like this is very much relevant for our examination, locations of biosphere reserve. Okay, next, Fisher's issues to come up during the Sri Lankan foreign minister visit to India, and along with that the other issues will be discussed, like the plans for new infrastructure projects, pending issues like fishermen's rights and the economic support of India to Sri Lanka. Along with that, the officials are going to discuss Sri Lanka's plan to hold BIMSTEC summit on 30th March as the current chair of regional grouping. So about this BIMSTEC grouping, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, BIMSTEC. Okay, so it was established in 1997 as BISTEC. Okay, as BISTEC with 4 countries, Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka and Thailand. Okay, so it was renamed as BIMSTEC in 2004 after Myanmar, Nepal and Bhutan joined it. Okay, you can see the sequence. Myanmar joined in 1997, Nepal 2004, Bhutan 2004. And then when it became BIMSTEC grouping, the first summit happened in Bangkok in 2004. Okay, so the names of the countries, which are the countries? Bangladesh, you can locate here, Nepal, India, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and then Myanmar and Thailand. So Myanmar and Thailand are part of Southeast Asian countries, and these 5 are South Asian countries: Nepal, Bhutan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. Also these are part of SAARC grouping, these 5 countries. But these two are not part of SAARC grouping, rather these two are part of ASEAN. So we can say that BIMSTEC is the link between South Asian region and Southeast Asian region. Okay, but you should remember this is specifically for technical and economic cooperation. It is not political grouping or security grouping, specifically for economic cooperation. Its secretariat is located in Dhaka, Bangladesh. This is very important for prelims examination. Okay. Melody Queen. So about the life of Lata Mangeshkar, briefly we'll try to find out the important information. Okay. Yes, so she was born in Indore on 28 September 1929 to Dinanath Mangeshkar, a classical singer and theatre personality. Okay, Lata was named Hema at birth, but her parents later renamed her after woman character named Latika from the father's play Bhav Bandhan. Okay, so her original name was Hema. Lata made her debut on the stage at the age of 5 in the play Saubhadra. 9-year-old Lata played Narad. Then in 1942 Lata sang the song in the Marathi movie Kiti Hasal, but it was dropped from the final cut. In 1945 she moved to Mumbai. Then she got her first major break with the song Dil Mera Toda Mujhe Kahi Ka Na Choda in the movie Majboor. Okay, so the names of the movies and that things are not that much important, but the award she won, okay, she received multiple national film awards, Padma Bhushan 1969, Padma Vibhushan 1999 and Bharat Ratna in 2001. Remember this? Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan. And also Dada Saheb Phalke Award, the highest award in the film industry, 1989, and France highest civilian award 2009. Okay, so this much information is sufficient about Lata Mangeshkar for our examination, we can say, and we all know that the famous songs she sang, and we can say that she will remain in our memory for long period of time. Yes, so what should be answer to this MCQ here? Yes, we have to find out the correct pair, the pairs of tiger reserves and the state in which they are located. Just now we had revision about all the 52 tiger reserves in the country. Satkosia Tiger Reserve, just now we talked about this, located in center of Odisha state. So this is correct. Then Valmiki Tiger Reserve, West Bengal. This is incorrect. It is not located in West Bengal. This is the only tiger reserve of Bihar, located along with border with Nepal. Okay, then Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve, Rajasthan. Yes, this is correct. The southern part of Rajasthan, Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve is located. So 1 and 3 only are correctly matched pairs. So answer is C here. Okay, so such kind of question or specifically on a particular tiger reserve. So specific information can be asked. So we need to be prepared about the locational aspects and the basic information about these tiger reserves. Fine. Okay, so these were the important articles relevant to our examination. Thank you.